How to fix the end-to-end encryption in your Facebook Messenger. So let's start. So first of all, you have to go into your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and here you have to go in the search and search for the Messenger. Now from here you have to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of your Messenger application. And after that you just have to go back and go into your phone settings. From here you have to scroll down and go into your general. Now from here you have to go in the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings. From here you have to scroll down and go into your Messenger. Now here is the option to offload the app, so you just have to click on it, and in the Android you have to clear the cache, and after that you just have to go back and open up your Messenger. From here you have to click on these three horizontal lines and go in the settings. From here you have to go in the privacy and the safety and click on the end-to-end encrypted chats. From here you have to make sure that this option is disabled of the secure storage, and after that you have to again go back and go in the restricted accounts. From here you can also add the accounts. So that's how you can fix the end-to-end encryption in your Messenger. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.